Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about carbon and its compounds. Whenever we discuss about the carbon and its compounds, then there are so many number of things around us which is made up of carbon. Do you aware about that? So whatever the food we eat, it is called as organic compound. ऑर्गेनिक फूड आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो गया है बराबर विच इज़ ऑब्टेन बाय फ्रॉम नेचर नॉर्मली द सब्सटेंस लाइक फूड्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम नेचर्स आर द ऑर्गेनिक क्लोथ्स मेडिसिन वुडन फर्नीचर books all of these are organic compound. Even whatever the toothbrush we are utilizes are also organic compounds. Whatever the fibers we are utilizes, they are also the organic compounds. All these organic compound are consist of carbon as a one of the main element in that. Carbon is the key element in all these organic compounds. Now, so the important is that whenever we can think our life is get surrounded by carbon and its compounds, then what is the proportion of carbon? What is the sources of the carbon? You will get amazed by knowing the fact that the amount of carbon present in the earth crust in the atmosphere is very small. Present in earth crust is around 0.02% in the form of carbonates and bicarbonates mineral. Whereas amount of carbon present in the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide gas is somewhere around 0.03%. But carbon is necessary for the life. Carbon is necessary for the life. So in this particular chapter we are going to discuss in detail about what are the nature of the carbon, what kind of bonding carbon is possessed, when any substance is consists of the carbon, then it has a how it is naming is take place, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स किसको कहते हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे ये सब. बट बिफोर मूविंग इन दैट डिटेल फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस बॉन्ड और टाइप्स ऑफ बॉन्ड्स. Bond are mainly two types: ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond is formed by transfer of valence electron between two bonded atoms. जब दो बॉन्डेड एटम के बीच में इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होकर जो बॉन्ड बनता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज आयोनिक बॉन्ड. नॉर्मली द बॉन्ड बिटवीन कैटायन Na plus and Cl minus and anion. The bond between the cation and anion is the type of ionic bond. Here it has high melting point and boiling point. They are conductor of electricity in its molten state and its soluble form and its dissolved form. डिजोल्व फॉर्म में वो क्या करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करेंगे and its dissolved form. So these are the some of the characteristics of ionic bond. So ionic bond, it is formed by the transfer of valence electron between two bonded atom. कोई एक कैटायन होगा जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा लाइक Na प्लस, दूसरा एनायन होगा जो इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करेगा लाइक Cl माइनस. So it is formed between the electropositive and electronegative elements, that is cation and anion. Such bond is very strong in nature and they possess high melting point and boiling point. They are the conductor of electricity. They conduct the electric current in its molten form as well as its dissolved form due to presence of ions. Due to presence of ions. आयंस प्रेजेंट रहते हैं इसलिए. ऑन द अदर साइड कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इट इज फॉर्म एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ शेयरिंग ऑफ इट्स वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. इट इज फॉर्म बाय sharing of valence electron between two atoms to achieve stable electronic configuration, to achieve stable noble gas like arrangement. Normally they try to achieve octet. क्या ट्राई करते हैं? Octet achieve. Octet means 8 electrons. If when any atoms get surrounded by 8 electrons, then normally the such atoms are considered to be a covalent in nature. Normally carbon and its compounds are covalent in nature. And its compounds are covalent in nature. They have comparatively low melting point or boiling point as compared to ionic compounds. They are non-conductor or poor conductor of electricity. Poor conductor of electricity due to absence of ion. Due to absence of ion. They are poor conductor of electricity due to absence of ions. So this is the main reason behind the bond. There are mainly two types of bond, ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of valence electron and covalent bond is formed by the transfer of sharing of valence electron. In this chapter we are going to discuss in detail about the covalent bond in the next video. Please do study from the video, subscribe our channel and enjoy your study with career. See you in the next video with detail of covalent bond.